Hello again, and welcome to another video. So here's an interesting one for anyone who owns one of these Mk2 Renault Masters, or the Vauxhall Murano equivalent. What I've managed to do is fit the cruise control as the two switches there, and what you need to look for behind this panel is whether you've got the plugs and the wiring. And if the plugs and the wiring are there, you can get the switches and the cruise control should work. So these are the part numbers for the two switches that you need. Took a bit of finding. The one I managed to get from Renault parts in the UK. The other one had to come from Poland actually, but I managed to get it eventually. So yeah, those are the two switches that you need. But remember, you must have the wiring behind this panel, because if you haven't got the wiring there, you'll be wasting your time. But yeah, on most of these you'll find that Renault have put the wiring in for you. So put those in, took it for a spin, see if it works, and unfortunately we weren't getting any cruise control working. The speed limiter was working, that's the bottom part of the switch there, but the cruise control, the top bit, that wasn't working. So I had to do a bit of further investigation. Plugged the diagnostic in. The diagnostic socket on these is quite easy to get at. I don't know if you can see, it's just down there. So plugged the diagnostic in, and that was coming back telling me there's a fault on the clutch switch. So clutch switch, and as you can see, it's located right up there. That's the, if you can just see it up there. It's a bit out of focus unfortunately, but yeah, clutch switch located up there, which tells the vehicle whether you got your foot on the clutch or not. That wasn't working, so what I managed to do is actually extend the clutch switch, because it wasn't moving back far enough. So I managed to extend it by putting a little screw in the end. I don't know if you can't actually see it there, but I'll put it back now. But yeah, put a little screw in the end of it just to make it a little bit longer, so it made contact. And yeah, Bob's your uncle. That was all working good. So now we have cruise control, and that'll be handy for next time going a long run up to Scotland. So there you go. If you're interested, please feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.